My name is Carl Swift. I run a business in Stock in Essex, CR Swift Landscaping Limited. We do highway work and agricultural work. We work for Balfour Beatties, Skanska, Essex Highways, Suffolk Highways, Highway England. We've dealt with Crawfords since they began in 1981, the same time as I did. I had a really good relationship with them. They've always backed us up when we needed them for the length of time that we've known them, and they look after us and they're there when we want them. The service and support we've received from Crawfords over the years has been second to none, and they're always there when we're in trouble. Their technicians know the job, and they've been about for a long while. The Massey Ferguson 8S had the right gearbox for us, visibility and comfort. We did compare it with other models, but the gearbox made it stand out, and the visibility for hedge cutting work. The 8S was the right size for the horsepower and overall size for our road work, and the double screens for our spreading service. Double screens are good for us spreading because we can have Isobus running at the same time as GPS. The most noticeable benefits from the 8S is the visibility from the cab and the use of the gearbox, the ease of the gearbox, and the visibility and the fuel consumption is very good. We use the 8S for its reliability and its 3-year warranty and maintenance plan. We would recommend Crawfords to other farmers and users for their reliability. Very important for us to keep moving, and they keep us moving all the time.